So for this given open loop and closed loop, open loop transfer function and unity feedback, finally the characteristic equation 1 plus g of s into h of s equal to 0 becomes s power 4 plus, so 6s cube plus 6s cube, 12s cube plus 25s square plus 36s square plus 8s square, 44 625 69s square, right? Plus square terms I completed. Next 150s plus 148s. Sorry, 150s plus 48s. 198s plus constant terms 200 plus k. It is the constant term. 200 plus k is the constant term. So finally, we have transfer function s power 4, 12s cube, 16s square, 190s, 198s plus 200 plus k. So I'm simply replacing the thing. So finally, the characteristic equation is s power 4 equal s cube plus 69s square plus 198s plus 200 plus k equal to 0. 200 plus k equal to 0. Right. So what is the maximum power of s?
4, sir.
For s power 3, s power 2, s power 1, s power 0. Okay. So what is the first element? 1, followed by 69,
200 plus k.
followed by
200 plus k, sir.
oh, followed by 200 plus k, right? Next 12,
12, 198.
198, right? Then find b naught minus 169, 12, 198 divided by 12. Okay, tell me the value. Tell me the value. B naught fast. Tell me. Tell me the value, Nana.
52.5.
కరెక్టే కదా నా దగ్గర లేదు
Yes,
క్యాలిక్యులేటర్.
sir. 52.5, sir.
52.5
Yes, sir.
no problem whether it is 4 or 5, it's negligible. 52.5, right? Find c naught minus 12, 198, 52.5, 200 plus k by 52.5. Right, it's a task for you. Find c naught and tell me the value. Fast. Find c naught value. చెప్పండి నాన్న. Tell me what is the value?
One 152.2 minus 0.228K, sir.
150,
152.2
152.2
minus
minus
0.228K.
minus. Tell me Nana, I'll repeat it.
0.228K.
That's it. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
ఇదంతా ఒకటే ఎలిమెంట్. ఓకే, ఓకేనా? సో find d naught. Find d naught again. 52.5, 200 plus k, 152.2 minus 0.228k, 0 by 152.2 minus 0.228k. How much it is? Minus. Or how much it is? How much it is?
200 plus K.
200 plus k. Right? 200 plus k. Right. Right. So what is he asking first? What he is asking, what is the first objective? Can anyone tell me? Find the range of k for stability. Find the range of k for stability. So if the system is said to be stable, how the elements of the first column looks like? ఎలా ఉండాలి? Positive. Right? Positive nothing but
Stable.
Greater than 0, sir.
greater than 0. So 152.2 minus 0.228k must be greater than 0. At the same time 200 plus k is also must be greater than 0. ఈ two terms kuda, two elements kuda, those two elements also must be greater than 0. And these three elements are already greater than 0. No need to worry. Right? So and these two elements, s power 1 row element and s power naught row element, these two elements also must be greater than 0. So k greater than minus 200, one value. So what about this value? 152.2 equal to greater than 0.228k. So 152.2 divided by 0.228k. sorry, 0.228. Right. How much it is? 152.2 by 0.228. How much it is?
667.5, sir. 667.5.
667.5.
7.5.
Right. Nothing but k less than 667.5. అంతేనా? దీన్ని ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా? Am I correct? Am I correct or not? Right? Right.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the range of k from these two? Somebody, anyone tell me? What is the range of k from these two conditions? K is must
Minus
be greater than
2052.
k is must be greater than minus 200 and must be less than 667.5. So k is in between minus 200 less than k less than 667.5. Am I correct? Am I correct? From these two condition, I have written it. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first objective. This is what he is asking. So what is the first objective? Discuss the stability of closed loop system as a function of k. So between these values of k, the system is said to be stable. The system is said to be stable. Other than these values, k is must be greater than minus 200. Must be greater than minus 200 means minus 199.29. Which one is more? Minus 199.9 or minus 200? Which one is more? Which one is more? Minus 199.9 or minus 200?
Minus 199.9.
If you replace the value here, are we getting positive or negative value? If you replace minus 199.9 here, are we getting positive or negative value?
Positive, sir.
Positive value. Suppose take minus 200.1, which is more,
Negative, sir.
which is less than minus 200. You are getting negative. Negative means is it stability or unstable? Is it stable or unstable?
Stable, sir.
Stable. ఇక్కడ మనకు నెగిటివ్ వస్తే స్టేబుల్ minus 200.1 ఉంటుంది. Stable or
Unstable, sir.
So that means this condition satisfy the stability, isn't it? This condition satisfies the stability and nothing but k is must be less than 667.5 and must be greater than minus 200. Okay, this is the first objective. Okay, this is the first objective. Okay, is it clear, all of you? First objective, is it clear?
Sir,
Right. Right. What is the second objective? Determine the value of k which will cause sustained oscillation in the closed loop system. Determine the value of k which cause sustained oscillation. Which cause sustained oscillation. Okay, which cause sustained oscillation in the closed loop system. Sustained oscillation is nothing but like this. Constant amplitude oscillations. If the oscillations are looks like this, sustained oscillations, what is the stability of the system? Is it stable or marginally stable or unstable? If we are getting sustained oscillations in the system, if you are getting sustained oscillation of the system, whether the system is stable or marginally stable or unstable?
Marginally stable, sir.
Marginally stable. when the marginally stable case come in RH criteria, what is the possibility? ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? Is it case 1 or case 2? When the marginally stable case comes while forming the Routh array of the given characteristic equation. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? ఎప్పుడు మార్జినల్ స్టేబుల్ కండిషన్ వస్తుంది? టెల్ మీ.
రూట్స్ ఇమాజినరీ అయితే
రూట్స్ ఇమాజినరీ సరే, రూట్స్ ఇమాజినరీ కరెక్టే, కానీ నీ అంటుంది ఈ రౌత్ ఎర్రేస్ లో ఏ కేస్ లో మనకి మార్జినల్ స్టేబుల్ వస్తుంది?
సెకండ్ కేస్ 0.
సెకండ్ కేస్ అంటే ఏంటి? రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్. సో ఈ రోలో మనకి రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఉందా? ఉందా? లేదు కదా, ఈ రెండు కాన్స్టెంట్స్. ఈ రోలో ఉందా? సెకండ్ రోలో పాసిబిలిటీ ఉందా? Is there any possibility? Second row of all zeros. Both are constants, right? So no possibility. What about third row? So this is the constant, but this is not constant, depends upon k, right? So even though this element is present in this row, this is also not possible to become row of all zeros. Now coming to s power 1 row, is there any possibility to become row of all zero based on the value of k? Is there any possibility? Is there any possibility the row becomes row of all zeros based on k value? Listen, Nana. S power 2, S power 1, S power 0. ఇక్కడ నాకు 2 rows 2 zeros వచ్చాయి కదా అని ఇదే రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్ అనాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇక్కడ నాకు ఇక్కడ సింగిల్ జీరో వచ్చినా సరే ఇట్ ఈస్ ద రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్. ఇక్కడ సింగిల్ జీరో వచ్చినా సరే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్. లేదా నాకు ఇలా వచ్చింది కదా 3 zeros వచ్చింది కదా ఇదే రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్ అని అది రాంగ్. ఇలా 2 elements ఉంటే అవి జీరోస్ వచ్చినా ఇట్ ఈస్ రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్. It is also called row of all zeros. Here we have, even though we have single element which is also a zero, it is also called row of all zeros. It is also called row of all zeros. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear or not?
yes sir.
Right. Then now tell me, is there any possibility of s power 1 row becomes row of all zero based on the value of k?
yes sir.
Right. So for which value of k it becomes 0? Nothing but 115.2 minus 0.228 k equal to 0. మనకు ఆ వాల్యూ ఎంత అని తెలియాలంటే ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఈక్వేట్ ద వాల్యూ టు 0, రైట్? సో 152.2 ఈక్వల్ టు 0.228 k. 0.228 k. 0.228 k. What is k now?
667.5 sir.
667.5. So if you replace k equal to 667.5, what is the element of this row?
0 sir.
0. 0 means, is it a row of all zeros or not?
yes sir.
So when it is row of all zeros, right? So the auxiliary equation comes into the picture. So what about the stabilities of system, chances of system? So marginally stable అవ్వడానికి ఉన్న కేస్ అవ్వడానికి ఏంటి? రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్ అయినప్పుడు అవ్వడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో whenever the system is marginally stable, what about the oscillations? Increasing, decreasing or sustaining?
sustaining.
So what is the second objective? He is asking, find the value of k. Find the value of k which will cause sustained oscillations in the closed loop system. What is that value? What is that value? What is that value?
667.5.
67.5. మరి ఇది కూడా ఉంది కానీ సార్, ఇది కూడా రో ఆఫ్ ఆల్ జీరోస్ అవచ్చు కదా. 200 ప్లస్ కే ఈక్వల్ టు 0, కే ఈక్వల్ టు -200 ఉంటుంది కదా. We are not considering the negative value in this type of problems. We are not considering these values. Okay. Why? Because we need to form the auxiliary equation. ఇది మనం జీరోగా తీసుకుంటే పైన కూడా మనకి సింగిల్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంది. సో రో ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయాలంటే అట్లీస్ట్ మనకి 2 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటే మనకి ఆక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. బట్ if you take this as row of all zeros k -200, so we need to frame the auxiliary equation from the elements of the row just above the row of all zeros. So in this row also we have single element, so that's why we are not considering this one. We considered only this one only. So what is the value of k to which generates sustained oscillations in the system? What is that value? What is that value? What is that value?
667.5.
667.5. Right? 667.5. Right, 667.5. Okay, now so 2 objectives completed. First, range of k. What is range of k? -200, k 667.5. right, 67.5. This is the first objective, range of k for stability. And the second objective, for the value of k at which is 667.5, the system produces sustained oscillations. The system produces sustained oscillations. So this is the second objective. And the final objective, what he is asking, what are the corresponding oscillating frequencies? What are the corresponding oscillating frequencies? Omega kanukkol, frequency kanukkomantunnadu, right? So how do we find the frequency? Okay, so for k equal to 667.5, what is the value of this element? For k equal to 667.5, what is the value of this element? If k equal to 667.5, what is the value of this element? For k equal to 667.5, what is the value of this element?
0.
0. If 0 means row of all zeros, 0 means row of all zeros, then what is the auxiliary equation now? What is the auxiliary equation now? Tell me. If it becomes 0, which is the case of row of all zeros, what is the auxiliary equation? What is the auxiliary equation? Tell me. What is the auxiliary equation? Tell me. Try. Wrong is
52.5 s square
right. Very good. 52.5 s square
plus 200 plus k s power 0.
s power 0. Leave it, none. S power 0. Leave it. Okay. So this is auxiliary equation, which is equal to 0. We are forming the auxiliary equation from the elements of the row just above the row of all zeros. Just above the row of all zeros. Now 52.5 s square equal to plus 200. What is k? What is k?
667.5, sir.
This is the procedure. How do we find the frequency? So 52.5 s square, 52.5 s square equal to minus 867.5. So what is s square? How much it is? Tell me. How much it is? Tell me. minus 867.5 by 52.5. Antonana, how much it is? How much it is?
16.5.
Sign చెప్పట్లేదు. Minus. Tell me.
Minus 16.5.
Minus 16.5. So s square equal to minus 16.5. So what is s? So we have minus here, right? So plus or minus j, plus or minus j, 16.5. Square root of 16.5. What is square root of 16.5? What is square root of 16.5?
4.06.
4.06.
06.
4.06. What is s? Anyone? What is s in terms of frequency? What is s? What is s in terms of frequency? ఎలా రాస్తాం s ని?
J omega.
Very good. J omega, which is equal to j 4.06. Now what is omega?
4.06.
Right. This is what he is asking. Omega is 4.06 radians per second, angular frequency. Radians per second. Units are very important. So this is the question. First objective, discuss the stability of the system as a function of k. Nothing but find the stability for in terms of range of k. For which values of k the system becomes stable. That's the first. Second one, for what value of k the system provides sustained oscillations. 667.5. Find the oscillating frequency, which is omega, which is 4.06 radians per second. This is the procedure. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Is it clear, all of you? Three objectives. How do we solve? How did we solve all these objectives? Is it clear? Is it clear? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Right? So if you want to if you want re-explaining, right, just go through the video. Okay na? So మీకు వీడియో లింక్ ఇస్తున్నాను కనుక దాంట్లో చెక్ చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి. Okay, so we'll take one more problem. So the open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given by g of s equal to k into s plus 1 by s cube plus a s square plus 2s plus 1. This is open loop transfer function with unity feedback. Unity feedback means what about h of s? What is h of s?
1, sir.
1. So what is characteristic equation? 1 plus g of s into h of s equal to 0. So 1 plus k into s plus 1 by s cube plus a s square plus 2s plus 1 equal to 0. Right, into 1. H of s is 1. So finally the characteristic equation is s cube plus a s square plus s into k plus 2 plus k plus 1 equal to 0 after taking the LCM and simplification, after taking the common s, right? So s cube plus a s square, 2s and ks, I'm taking the common s, k plus 2, and k into 1 k and plus 1, k plus 1 constant. Okay, is it clear? So finally, what is the characteristic equation? We have s cube plus a s square plus 2 plus k into s plus k plus 1 equal to 0. Right? This is the s power 1 coefficient This is s power 0 coefficient. S power 0 coefficient. Right. So what are the objectives he asking? First, determine the value of k and a. Find the value of k and a. Determine the value of k and a so that the system oscillates at a frequency of 2 radians per second. So here is the given data is omega 2 radians per second. Find the value of k and a. So for what value of k and a, system oscillates with the frequency of 2 radians per second. So if the system oscillates with the frequency of 2 radians per second, nothing but what type of oscillations is. So what type of oscillations we are getting?
Sustained.
Sustained oscillation. Sustained oscillation means when this case is up here,
Marginally stable.
marginal stable, nothing but ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది మనకి రౌత్ ఏరియాలో
Row of zeros.
Is it clear? The problem is now it's time to form the Raut array. S power 3, S power 2, S power 1, S power 0. మనం mute చేసుకోండి. Right. So what is the first element? What is the first element?
1
1. What is the second element?
k plus 2.
2 plus k. Okay. 2 plus k. What is the element here?
A
A. What is the element here?
k plus 1.
K plus 1. What is B naught? 1 A 2 plus k, k plus 1 by A. What is the value? Tell me what is the value?
A into 2 plus k
A into 2
minus
plus k minus
minus k plus 1 by A.
1 plus k by A. This is entire thing is one element. So what is C naught? What is C naught? Minus A k plus 1 A into 2 plus k minus 1 plus k by A 0 divided by this value. Divided by this value. What is the value?
K plus 1, sir.
K plus 1. K plus 1. Completed. First row has 2 elements, second row has 2 elements, third row has 1 element, fourth row has 1 element. Right. So what is the given data? Find the value of k and a for this frequency. This frequency means sustained oscillation. Sustained oscillations ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? Sustained oscillations ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి? Tell me, sustained oscillations ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి?
0 row ఉండాలి.
0 row. So 0 row అంటే ఏంటి? 0 row అంటే ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? So equate this to 0. Equate this value to 0. Right? Equate the value to 0. So if you equate a into 2 plus k minus 1 plus k by a equal to 0. So 2a plus a into k minus 1 minus k equal to 0. Nothing but 2a minus 1 plus k into a minus 1 equal to 0. 2a minus 1 plus k into a minus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. Consider this is equation 1. Right. If this is C, if this element is 0, if this element is 0, right? That's what I'm taking here. Right? What is auxiliary equation? If this element is 0, what is auxiliary equation? What is auxiliary equation?
ax square
as square
k plus 1
as square plus k plus 1 equal to 0. From this, what is s square? From this, what is s square? Minus k plus 1 divided by a, isn't it or not? Minus k plus 1 divided by a. Antena? Antena kada?
yes sir.
So what is s? Plus or minus j into k plus 1 by a. K plus 1 by a. So what is s? What is s? J omega. Omega ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు? What is omega value?
2 radian per second.
2 radians per second. So j into 2 equal to j into root of k plus 1 by a. So finally, what is the relation? What is root of k plus 1 by a equal to? Tell me, root of k plus 1 by a equal to? Chapandi.
2, sir.
2. Square root of k plus 1 by a equal to 2. So what is k plus 1 by a from this? 4. Antena? Antena kada?
Yes sir.
Right. So from this, what is k? What is k?
4a square minus 1 sir.
4a square minus 1.
Square root of అదే sir 4a square minus 1.
4a square. Why it is 4a square? K plus 1.
4a sir.
Right. It
4a
is
sir.
4a minus 1. K is 4a minus 1. This is second equation. Equation 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Okay. So k equal to 4a minus 1 and is one equation, and this is one more equation. So I'm erasing these all things. Just need to write those two equations again. Right. What are those two equations? First equation is 2a minus 1 plus k into a minus 1 equal to 0. This is the first equation, and second equation is k equal to 4a minus 1. So from these two equations, 1 and 2, so 2a minus 1 plus 4a minus 1 into a minus 1 equal to 0. Isn't it or not? Is it correct or not? I'm replacing the k value here in equation 1. Right? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear or
Yes,
not?
sir.
So now it is easy to find the value of a from this one. After that, replace the value of a here and find the value of k. That's what the objective. Find the a and k for this frequency, 2 radians per second. And this second equation comes from this value, from this data only. J omega, J2, right? So దీని నుంచి మనం తీసుకున్నాం, right? Simplify it. 2a minus 1 plus 4a square minus 4a minus a plus 1 equal to 0. Right? So finally, what is the value? Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, right? Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, right? So finally, 4a square minus 4a minus a minus 5a plus 2a minus 3a equal to 0. Take a as common. 4a minus 3 equal to 0. So what is the value of a? A equal to 0 or a equal to 3 by 4. Isn't it? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Okay na, అర్థమైందా?
Yes sir.
Right. So మనకి ఏ two values ఉన్నాయి. So in these two values, which is valid and which is invalid?
3/4 is valid and 0 is not valid.
Why a is not a equal to 0? Why it is invalid? If
Yes,
you
sir.
if you place a equal to 0 here, you are getting infinite, right? You are getting infinite. That's why it is invalid value. It is invalid value. So what is the value of a?
3/4, sir.
3/4. What is the value of k? 4 into 3/4 minus 1. Replace the value a here. Substitute the value a equal 3/4. 4 get cancelled. So what is k? What is k?
2, sir.
So finally this is the objective we require. K equal to 2 and a equal to 3/4. K equal to 2 and a equal to 3/4. Right? K equal to 2, a equal to 3/4. కాంట చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. k ఈక్వల్ టు 2, a ఈక్వల్ టు 3/4. k ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అంటే a అంటే ఎంత? 3/4. k ఎంత? 2. 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 plus k. How much? 3 by a. How much a? 3/4. 3/4. 4 get cancelled. 3 minus 3 how much?
0, sir.
Nothing but it becomes row of all zeros, right? Row of all zeros, right? Row
Yes,
of
sir.
all zeros, right? For which value of k and a it becomes row of all zeros? For which values of a
A
and k it becomes row of all
A
zeros?
equal to 3/4, K equal to 2.
2. When it becomes row of all zeros, the system oscillates with which frequency?
2 radian per second.
అర్థమైందా? సో మనం రివర్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేసామన్నమాట. అర్థమవుతుందా? Is it clear? Is it clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
These are the very important problems, right? Very important models which are asking, and I mean frequently in the competition exams as well as externals. So very important. The only thing is, remember, you need to read the question properly. Question చాలా ఎంత జాగ్రత్తగా చదువుకుంటే అంత ఈజీగా మీకు ప్రాబ్లం అర్థమవుతుంది. Okay, is it clear all of you? Two models, right? So in the next class we'll start third case. Okay, third case. Okay, so మనకి 3 cases లో ఒక కేస్ నుంచి ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది అన్న 7 మార్క్స్ కి. ఒక్కొక్కసారి అదృష్టం ఉంటే 14 మార్క్స్ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వాళ్ళే ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారు. ఓకే, సో